Hello friends, good evening. This is Bhupati. In the last video, we discussed about word boundary topic. In this video, we are going to learn about non-word boundary in regular expression. Non-word boundary is represented by using capital W. And before you go to the non-word boundary, just learn what is capital W. It is non-word character. It tries to match any non-word character. We will quickly see the recap of special characters because they are very basic in regular expression. Unless you understand those special characters, we will not be able to write any complex queries. \d is the matches single digit 0 to 9. \w is matches any word character. Word character means alphanumeric 0 to 9 and underscore. \w means exactly opposite of small w, any non-word character. And remember, if you use this caret symbol or upward arrow in the square brackets, then it means not equal to. If you don't use any square bracket, then it means start of the line. Now this caret symbol represents the start of the line. If you use inside the square bracket, then it is not equal to. Okay, capital D matches non-digit, \s matches white space character, tab, new line, space, carriage, return, form field, everything, and \S matches any non-white space. \small b is the word boundary. This is the topic we discussed in detail in the last video. I recommend you to watch that video before watching this video. And capital B is the non-word boundary. And what is the meaning of this? It asserts position where \b, that is where word boundary does not match. Now we will go to the regex101.com and let's see what it means. Now I will use \b, that is start of the word boundary. Word boundary means, hope you most of you have already watched the last video, but we will just see a quick recap of word boundary. At the starting of the word, there should not be any word character, and at the end of the word also there should not be any word character. Then such a word, it will be recognized as word boundary. Now if I use 9, that is word character. Word character means what in regular expression? Alphanumeric 0 to 9 underscore. These are word characters. If any word characters present at the beginning of the word, then particular word will not be considered as word boundary. So what does it mean \small b? Or it is trying to match the character or at the beginning of the word boundary. Since it is not considered as word boundary now, this or is not matched and only this or is matched. Now I will remove this digit 9. Now you can see there are two matches are there. Now what is non-word boundary? Capital B. Now I will over my mouse over this, asserts position where word boundary, that is smaller letter b, does not match. Okay, so now word boundary does not match here because it will try to match only at the start of the word. If we use word boundary capital, that word boundary and just a letter R, it will try to match only at the beginning of the word boundary. Now if I use non-word boundary means it will try to match the character R wherever word boundary cannot match. You can see word boundary cannot match this character R because it will look only for the character R at the beginning of the word boundary, and it is also matching here, and this character also matched here. You can see totally 6 matches are there. Now if I use smaller, so it is trying to match this is word boundary smaller case b, and it is trying to match character R at the end of the word boundary. Again if I use capital B, now it is non-word boundary. It will match the character R wherever word boundary cannot match. Previously it matched here, so it is trying to match the pattern here. Now it matched here, now it matched the character or here using non-word boundary. So by this way, non-word boundary will assert position wherever word boundary does not match. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please subscribe and support our channel. We will see with more examples in the upcoming videos. Thank you friends.